One of the many benefits of fiberglass doors is that they require minimal maintenance. MASTERGRAIN recommends lightly cleaning the door slab, hardware, weather stripping, and sill at least twice a year to improve performance and prolong its lifespan. Before you begin cleaning your fiberglass door, make sure you have the following items: a microfiber cloth, spray bottle, mild soap, and warm water. Gently wipe your door with a microfiber cloth or use a vacuum with a nozzle attachment to get rid of any dust or dirt. Spray the soap and water mixture on a microfiber cloth and wipe the door, hardware, weather stripping, and sill, paying attention to any areas with stains or dirt buildup. Gently wipe all areas clean with a microfiber cloth. Once your door is clean, use clear water with a new microfiber cloth to remove any soap residue. To ensure a streak-free finish, dry the door thoroughly with a clean cloth. Congratulations! You have completed your fiberglass door maintenance. By following these steps, you will help keep your MASTERGRAIN fiberglass entry door looking pristine and maintain its elegant appearance for years to come.